Today's question is 9 divided by 3 divided by 9 divided by 3. The young man got the answer 1, and the young lady got the answer 1/9. In your opinion, which answer is correct? First, let's look at the young man's solution. He solved it from left to right and said 9 divided by 3 is 3, and again 9 divided by 3 is 3, and 3 divided by 3 is 1. But this answer is wrong because he didn't pay attention to the order of operations and the KCF rule. Now let's move on to the young lady's solution. She followed the PEMDAS rule and said 9 divided by 3 is 3, and the expression becomes 3 divided by 9 divided by 3. Then 3 divided by 9 is 3/9, and we solve 3/9 divided by 3 using the KCF rule. K stands for keep, meaning we keep the first fraction exactly as it is. C stands for change, meaning we change the division sign to multiplication. F stands for flip, meaning we flip the second fraction upside down. According to the KCF rule, we write 3/9 as it is, then the division sign changes to a multiplication sign, and in the third step, we flip the number 3, which becomes 1/3. The 3 and 3 cancel out, and our final answer is 1/9. If you enjoy these kinds of challenges, make sure to subscribe to the channel and like the video.